In this video, we are going to go over divisibility rules. So if the number ends in 0, the number is divisible by 10. So for example, if we have 10, 10 ends with a 0, 10 divided by 10 is 1. You don't have any decimal in your answer, so 10 is divisible by 10. Another example, if we have 20, it ends in 0, divided by 10, it is 2. No decimal in your answer. So any number that ends with a 0 is divisible by 10. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. If we have 100 or a bigger number, it ends with a 0 divided by 10. You get integer. There's no decimal. So 10, 20, 50, 100, they all end in 0. They are divisible by 10. They can be divided by 10. If the number ends in 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. So let's look at the examples. If we have 10, it ends with 0. You can divide by 5. It will give you a whole number. If you have 15, 15 ends in 5. If you divide by 5, it is 3. There's no decimal in your answer. 15 is divisible by 5. Any number that ends with a 5, like 75 ends in 5, you can divide by 5 to be 15. 75 is divisible by 5. If we have 200, it ends in 0, so you can divide by 5. It is divisible. The number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, this is comma, 6, and 8, basically even numbers. So let's go over examples. If you have 10, it ends with 0, you can divide by 2, it's 5. If we have 22, it ends in 2, divided by 2, can be divided. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 4, it ends with 4, then it is divisible by 2. If you have bigger numbers, any bigger number like 46, it ends in 6, you can divide by 2. It is divisible by 2. If we have 78, it ends in 8, it ends in 8, so it is divisible by 2, it is 39. Okay, 3 is a little different. The number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits adds to 3, 6, or 9. Okay, so what that means, if we, for example, if we have 12, what are the digits? Digits are 1 and 2. And if you add them, 1 plus 2, it is 3. The sum is 3, right? So 12 is divisible by 3. Let's try it. If we divide 12 by 3, it is 4. It is divisible by 3. Another example, let's try 45. What are the digits? It's 4 and 5. You're going to add them all. 4 plus 5 is 9. So the sum of the digits is 9, so it is divisible by 3. So if you do 45 divided by 3, it is 15. So any number, whether it's really big or small, if you add all the digits, and if the sum is 3, 6, or 9, it is divisible by 3. It can be divided by 3, and the number will not have any decimal.